So that when Vrinda Devi or Tulsi Manjari says, oh Radhaju, Shama's here, Shamala Sakhi's here. Bring her in, Shamala, Shamala, Shamala. So she just hears the name Shamala, immediately she thinks Sham, Sham, Sham. And why is Shamala Sakhi called Shamala? Because she's like the same color as Krishna. So beautiful. What color is Sridham? Tricky questions, VIHE. You learned this? No. What color is Sri? First of all, who is Sridham? Everyone's whispering, half convinced. Loudly, who is Sridham? Thank you, madam. So Sridham is the elder brother of Radharani. So okay, good, very good. Now, tricky question. Radharani is golden, Vrishabhanu is golden. So what color is Sridham? Bing. Wrong. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. She's an old one. She knows a lot of stuff. So Sridham is Sham color. Why is Sridham Sham color? Whenever Radharani's in Barsana, which is half the year, and every time she turns around, she sees Sham. Oh, Sham. Oh, it's my brother. Oh, Sham. It's my brother. Sham comes to the bedroom. They're brother and sister. Says, "Hey, mom, lunch is ready. Come on, Radha, come." Oh, Sham. Oh, my brother. Okay, I'm coming. What color is Subal? He's Radharani's color. So who's always with Krishna? Subal. Who's always with Radharani when she, at least half the year? Sridham. And when she's not with Sridham, and every day she's with Shamala.